Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a short one. We decided to do a little dining room refresh. We were gifted a new table from Mickey's brother. We had plans to buy it ourselves, and then he told us that they were going to buy a new one. So if we would like theirs, we were welcome to have it. So it took some time to get it back to us because they live in Texas, we live in Oklahoma, but we were finally able to get it and we put it in the house. We sold our old one and then it was on to putting the finishing touches on the room. So we ordered this light fixture from Amazon. It was, I think, around $75. I will link it down below if I can still find it. So we got that and just some more decor pieces to go into the room, which I will go over in a little bit. So thank you for watching. Right, so here is the dining room, somewhat finished. I just moved this picture. It was over here, moved it over to there, and then I got this 2-pack of wall hangers off of Amazon, and it came with the greenery in them. And then I need to find a plant stand for this little guy, and I think I'm going to move him over to this corner just so there's some, color over there, because I already have those hanging there. So I think that would look a little bit better. And then of course we have the entryway right there. So yeah, that is the dining room. Oh, I got the placemats from Amazon. It is a pack of 6. There were several different colors. They wash really well. I actually already washed them, and I put them back a little bit damp so that they wouldn't be like so stiff, if that makes sense, So yeah, there's the dining room. Oh, there's the light fixture, and we did paint around. It's not perfect, there is still a difference, but we did paint the ceiling, and then we ordered some Edison bulbs to replace just the regular ones. We thought that would look better. So yeah, oh, let me give you a close-up of the chairs. So that's what they look like right now. Not my most favorite, but we're gonna keep it for now, and whenever we need to redo the cushions, we will do that. But for right now, we're just gonna leave it how it is. And yeah, so there is our dining room makeover.